If you run CNC machines, then you need cutting tools. Quality cutting tools at a reasonable price. That's where Haas tooling comes in. Now CNC machines aren't the only thing Haas offers you. Using our massive buying power, we are able to purchase cutting tools in bulk, and we're passing those savings on to you. On HaasCNC.com, we've made it more convenient than ever to get the cutting tools you need. Just navigate to the Haas tooling menu and choose the category of tool you need. All the specs you need for every tool are listed, and we even have videos of cutting tools with all the cutting data. So anytime you need to refer back to specs or cutting data, it's all just a few clicks away. And of course, the prices are all right there, just like every Haas product. Each tool has been tested by Haas application engineers, and we've tested these same tools in our own state-of-the-art machine shop for years. Every tool is Haas tested. Ordering these tools has never been easier. Select your tool, add them to your cart, and when you're ready, check out. All the tools come directly from the Haas factory, so we can process your order and ship them immediately. And if you're thinking about a new CNC machine, you can add tooling like you would any machine option. Now you can have your machine completely tooled up and buy or finance in one package. Haas Tooling, quality tools, reasonably priced, and Haas tested.